Hello, it's me Sagar Thapa. I am a student of electronics. Now I am going to about how to work the wireless charging system like which is used in Lumia 910, Samsung Galaxy S3 and iPhone 5 mobile phones that are used in the wirelessly charging system. Then I will going to about to talk how to work the wireless charging system. Let's first of all I am going to see the block diagram. Look at here. This is the circuit diagram of the wireless charging system. Uh, the first main AC is input here, then the control unit. This unit convert the AC 12 volt, 220 volt into a 1500 volts and high frequency like a 4 megahertz, 5 megahertz. Then it going to in a coil or solenoid. When the high frequency and high voltage is going on the solenoid, it can magnetize and produce the magnetic flux very fastly and very longly also. Then there is a air medium, then the air is a coil, another coil also which is used in cover of a iPhone 5 and Samsung Galaxy S3 mobiles, that is fitted in there. Then it produces a magnetic, it cuts the magnetic flux and produce the EMF. Then the control unit, microchip IC, that control this EMF and going to the output of a charging system. This whole diagram is the wireless charging system. Now I am going to give you a tutorial for a wireless charging system. When input the AC, high AC and high frequency, then it magnetized, then wirelessly charged and another coils and produce EMF and going to the charging. That's it. Okay, then I'm going to tell you about how can work it. What is the part of this charging system? Materials are given in here. And the first part, the control unit, is I'll show you. This is the wireless charging system main control unit. Here is a coil and here is a control unit. Then the main input is here. This is the main input. This box is known as wireless charging system, which is produced by Sagar Thapa Magar in Diploma in Electrical Engineering. Then another receiving unit also is given here. That is the small receiving unit which is used in mobile phones. That is already used in cover of a iPhone 5 mobile phones. Then in this time I'll made external materials. Now I'm connect this output wire in connector pin also. That's it. Okay, this is the receiving unit which is fitted in. Here is a mobile also, that is fitted in this like this and connected in this type of charging system, like this. This is connected in like this. Then this is a coil and microchip control unit, and output is going to the charging of a mobile. Okay, then I am going to switch on the charging main system. Okay. Let's say about here is an indicator that indicates the main charging system. Then the coil is magnetized already. Now I am going to the tutorial to taking about how to work the wireless charging system. Then I am going to the practical. to show you a practical. Let's we can join this mobile. Look at this mobile. When the charging is complete, then the LED is indicate here. Look at this. Look at here. This mobile is going to be charging. When the input this, it is going to be off. Then when the put in the coil, then फिर going to the charging system. That's it. Now I am fit this set in backward. Now then going to the tutorial how to work it. This is the receiving unit, and here is the coil, and here is the coil. Then here is the coil also. Here is the transmitter coil, and here is the receiver coil. Then I am putting in there, and charging is indicate here. Look at this. This is a indicator of charging in my cell phone. Okay, I am going to hang out this set from this charging unit. Look at here, the charging system is already going to be off. Then when I put, the charging is going on. This is the indicator unit. When I input the charging, then this is going to be off. Now this is a wireless charging system which is used in Nokia Lumia 910. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Bye.